Hey folks, it's Mr. Will with Loog Nation, where future guitars start. And today, we're doing an oldie but a goodie, Lollipop by the Chordettes. It's a fun, family-friendly song, I think. As a doo-wop rock song, I think it's an easy lesson for beginners. We have some easy chords and really fun, simple strumming. The challenge is in the speed. So we're going to work on it slow and pick it up and do a play along a little more up-tempo later in this lesson. And stick around, I've got a couple of tricks for you when it comes to the strumming patterns, and we're going to learn how to play that fun riff that happens at the beginning of the song. You can check out more of those songs that I have in this Oldies But Goodies family-friendly songs in a playlist, and also in links in this description. So check out the description below. Okay. Let's set up today's lesson. We're going to have an intro to the song. There's a verse, a chorus, and then that repeats. We do verse, chorus, and that's the end of the song. There are 5 different chords that we're going to learn today. We have a G, an E minor, an A minor, and a D. And we also have a C. So, if you need to, stop this recording right now, work on these chords, right? Let's work on these together. We're going to go G, then E minor, then A minor, then D, and we're also going to go G to C. So this is a great moment for you to just pause this video, work on getting those chords down as we move into the song. Okay, the song actually starts with an intro. Funny enough, the intro is exactly the same as the chorus. So once you learn the intro, you'll also know the chorus. And it's those 4 chords that we just worked on. A G, an E minor, an A minor, and a D. And it's 2 beats each. So we're going to strum and hold for 2 beats. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Again. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. We're going to do that one more time. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and then we play a G and stop. And that's the intro of the song. The verse is a little longer than the chorus and has a different chord progression. So let's check that out right here. Okay, we have a G, then a C, G, C, G, C, A minor, D, G, C, G, C, D, G. All right, so there's a little bit of a twist. That D, we're going to hold that for 4 beats. Okay, so that's all of the chords and the progressions for both the intro / chorus and the verse. Now let's put it together a little bit. Let's use a strumming pattern to bring the song alive a little bit more. The strumming pattern we're going to use today is down, down, up. Down, down, up. So every time we play a chord, we're going to play down, down, up. There's that one exception in the verse when we play the D twice as long. Down, down, up, down, down, up. All right, let's go through the intro of the song and work on our strumming pattern along with the chord progression. Here we go. We're going to go G, E minor, A minor, and D. And we're going to do that 3 times, okay? So we're going to go. minor, D, G. And that's where we get to have the fun riff. The fun riff is that boom, boom, boom. And we can play that on our Loog. We're going to start on the 2nd string and play the 3rd fret. Then we're going to play the 1st fret with our 1st finger. And then we're going to play the open 2nd string. Then we're going to play the 3rd string 2nd fret with our 2nd finger. So we're going to go. Now those notes are actually a D, a C, a B, and an A. I'm going to call out the frets that we're going to play. 3, 1, open, 2. I'm changing to the 3rd string on that last note. 3, 1, open, 2. It's got a rhythm like ba 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 ba. Ba 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 ba. It's pretty fast. Yeah, have fun with that. Cool. Now, the other part of this song that I love so much is the little lollipop sound. And I like doing that like this. I just put my finger and blow and pop at the same time. Why don't you work on that too? So if we put the whole chorus together, it would sound, chorus and or intro, it would sound like this. A lollipop, a lollipop, oh lolly, 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 lollipop, lollipop, oh lolly, 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 lollipop, lollipop, oh lolly, 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 lollipop. Boom, boom, boom. All right. I think that's the best part of the song. Now let's go into the verse, and we're going to use the same strumming pattern, down, down, up, for every time we play a chord. There's that little twist at the end where we hold the D for 4 beats instead of just 2. Watch out for that. So it'll sound like this. I'm not going to sing yet. Here we go. We have down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, A minor, D, G. So that's the whole song. We have our intro, which is also the chorus, a verse, and then another chorus, and we go into another verse, another chorus, and another verse. Okay, time for a play along. Here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to play up tempo. You can choose to play the strumming if you want. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up. You have options. You could just play quarter notes. Down, 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 down. Or you could use just down strums if you want. Still pretty fast using down strums or quarter notes, but let's have fun trying to play this up tempo, meaning the speed of the song. Pretty close. It's still gonna be a little slow. Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. Lollipop, lollipop, oh, lolly, 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 lollipop, lollipop, oh, lolly, 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 lollipop, lollipop, oh, lolly, 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 lollipop. Ba-dum, boom, boom. Call me baby lollipop. Tell you why. This is sweeter than apple pie. And when he does the shaky rock and dance, man, I haven't got a chance. I call him lollipop, lollipop, oh lolly, 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 lollipop, lollipop, oh lolly, 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 lollipop, lollipop, oh lolly, 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 lollipop. Boom, boom, boom. And so on and so forth. Hey, how'd that go? Did you get the rhythm? Are you up tempo? Maybe you need to take some time to work on the chord changes or the strumming and get better at connecting the changes in the strumming together. I like this song because it's easy to learn at first, but more complicated the faster we go, and it's kind of fun to play up tempo. All right, hey, if you're having a great time, please let me know another song that you and your family like to play together, and I could probably do a video for you as a lesson to share with other people in this Loog Nation community. I'd love to know what you're all working on at home so that we can maybe be inspired to work on those songs together. Great. If you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell. We're here every Thursday with a new lesson, and I'm excited to show more oldies and family fun songs for you throughout the year. All right. Hey, we'll see you next time, okay? Thanks for stopping by. Ba-dum, boom.